for beginners looking to study Revit MEP. Several resources can help you get started. Firstly, consider Autodesk Revit MEP for Beginners by John Zaraski. Secondly, the Revit MEP Bootcamp by Chad Cheney. Thirdly, Mastering Revit MEP by Don Allen and Dana Prochaska. Fourthly, BIM for MEP Engineers by Stephen Shelby and Judd Caldwell. Fifthly, MEP for Revit, a Guide for MEP Engineers by Dimitri Finlady. Sixthly, Autodesk Revit MEP 2023, a comprehensive guide for electrical, mechanical, and plumbing engineers by Javad Mojavai. Seventhly, the Revit MEP Essential Training course by Autodesk is also beneficial. In addition to books, the Autodesk Revit MEP Help documentation is an invaluable resource. You can find it online at help.autodesk.com/view/rvtmet/2023/ENU/ KID equals GUD-28 FC33 F6-100 AD-4434-9918 B6 debate D7 B7 B6. The Autodesk Revit MEP Community Forum provides a platform to connect with other users and ask questions. You can access the forum at forums. Autodesk.com/T5/Revit MEP forums/BDP/134. Revit MEP training courses are also available at Learn. Autodesk.com/category/Revit MEP Mechanical, Electrical, Plumbing. These resources offer a comprehensive approach to learning Revit MEP.